Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about the basics of computer networking. Today, we will see various types of computer networks. So let's start. As we know, the network allows computers to connect and communicate with different computers via any medium. So, how we can identify which type of network in which I am working? Generally, it is based on geographical span. Based on the distance, we categorize the network. For example, a network can be as small as the distance between your mobile phone and its Bluetooth headphone, or as large as the internet itself, covering the whole geographical world. Okay? So, types of networking can be for 4 types: PAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. Okay? The first one is PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. As the name suggests, it is very personal to the user. A PAN is made up of a wireless modem, a computer, phones, printers, tablets, and revolves around one person in one building. Okay? For example, I am using my laptop and connecting this laptop with my wireless headphone, connecting my mobile through Bluetooth technology. Then this sort of network consists of PAN. Okay? PAN may include wireless computer keyboard and mouse, Bluetooth enabled headphones with printers and TV remotes, etc. Advantages of PAN: in PAN, no extra space is required. Thus, no need of extra cable and wire. The most important point is data can synchronize between different devices. For example, I have a Apple laptop with Apple mobile as well as Apple Watch. So, these 3 devices are connected to each other, and whatever the data or work are doing in one device are automatically synchronized in another device. Okay? The disadvantages can be it used or operated in less range of areas, can only be used for personal, slow data transfer, etc. Next is local area network. LAN is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as building or office. Ethernet is most widely used LAN technology and it uses star topology. We will discuss various type of topology in upcoming videos. Here, the transfer rate of data is high with minimal response time. Highly safe network, sharing common resources like printers, etc. are some common application of LAN. So, the advantages are resource sharing, centralized data. All the local computers which are connected through LAN, data are kept in centralized form. As here, you can see that there is a server and all other computer networks are connected with this server with some mechanism. So, data are kept in centralized form like this. So, because of this, data security is there, easy and cheap communication. While disadvantages are high setup cost, we need various cables and connectors to set up LAN. That's why it needs a maintenance job. It covers again a limited area but greater than the PAN. Okay. Metropolitan network. Here you easily see that a combination of various LANs are connected with each other with some mechanism to form a MAN. Government agencies uses MAN to connect to the citizens and private industries. You can say that a city cable uses this sort of network mechanism. Advantages are extremely efficient and provide fast communication via high-speed carriers such as fiber optic cables. While disadvantages are more cabling is required, difficult to make system secure because various different types of LANs are connected and form a MAN. And the last one is wide area network. As the name suggests, it covers a large geographical area like state, countries or even world. The internet is one of the biggest WAN in the world. We are here in India can connect to the person who are stayed in America with the help of this sort of network. WAN operates on low data rates. Communication medium used are satellite public telephones networks. Okay. Advantages, as the name suggests, it covers a large geographical area. Okay. Everyone on the network can use the same data. This avoids problem where some users may have older information than others. This is the second most important advantage. Disadvantages are it needs a good firewall to restrict outsider from entering and disrupting the network. Okay. Setting up a network can be expensive, slow and complicated. Why? Because the bigger the network, the more expensive it is. Other than these four types, there are more types of networks like virtual private network, wireless network, storage area network and so on. So that's all for today. Today we learned types of network Advantages and disadvantages of